Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty on the PS5. First, connect your PlayStation 5 console to your television using the included HDMI cable. Next, make sure your DualSense controller is fully charged and properly paired. Then, establish an internet connection, either through Wi-Fi or a wired Ethernet connection, for updates and online play. Finally, insert your Call of Duty game disc, or download the digital version from the PlayStation Store to begin the installation process. Once you've started the installation, let the game fully install from your disc or digital download. Call of Duty games often require significant updates, so be sure to download and install all available patches for the best experience. You might also need to download specific multiplayer packs or campaign content separately. Always ensure you have ample storage space, as these games can easily exceed 100 gigabytes. The DualSense controller offers an immersive experience. Take time to familiarize yourself with its button layout and functions. Head into the game settings to adjust sensitivity, aim assist, and even customize your control scheme to suit your playstyle. Experiment with the adaptive triggers and haptic feedback. These features provide unique sensations, like the resistance of a trigger pull or the feel of explosions, enhancing your overall gameplay. Call of Duty offers a variety of exciting game modes. Begin with the campaign to grasp the core mechanics and story. Once comfortable, practice in private matches or against AI bots to refine your aiming and movement. When ready, jump into multiplayer to compete with players worldwide across various maps and objectives. Don't forget to explore unique modes like zombies or the expansive battle royale of Warzone for even more action-packed fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.